Hi, the popularity of FPV drone content is growing at a great speed. And you wanna not miss your chance to jump into this hobby as soon as possible. It doesn't matter if you want to fly for yourself or make a cool social media videos, or maybe start make money from it. What matters is how to start your path correctly and quickly. My name is Dean and I've been flying drones more than 3 years and make cool videos like this. Let's go and I tell you how to start FPV. Step number 1. Don't rush to buy a bunch of drones you don't know anything about yet. Most importantly, you need to know how to fly these drones. FPV drones in acro mode, completely manual without any stabilizing systems, and you need to understand how to fly. The best way to do this in a simulator on your computer. For example, the apps like Velocidrone or Liftoff. They have a best physics of drone behavior. So you need a computer, your controller, and you need to upload the simulator on your computer, of course. And you don't need the oldest computer anyway. MacBook 2020, 16GB RAM, I think it's quite suitable. Next, controller. This is remote control that you will not only learn fly in the simulator, but also to operate then your real drone. It should be the good quality. If you will be a travel blogger like me, not only drone pilot, I recommend to use the Tango 2. I have a pro version and it has folding sticks. It's compact and lightweight. If you'll be flying near your home, sitting on the chair, chilling, you can use another controller like Radio Master 20 or Radio Master 16. It's the comfortable remote with the good sticks usability. Also, you can buy the DJI remote controller from other DJI FPV like Avera or DJI FPV drones version 1. But more on that a little bit later. So in a simulator you need to spend from 10 to 30 hours at least to learn how to control the drones and feel it well. And after that you can move on the real drone. Step number 2, choosing the drone. There are a huge amount of drones and their types, and it's possible to get confused in them. I will show you just 2 ways of going about things and what you will need. First, I want to play flying in the goggles like a Tony Stark. Flying on the backyard and impress your friends, and you don't want to know how to collect anything, soldering something, understand a bunch of components. Your drones is the Avera from DJI. Not a bad drone for average tasks. You'll buy it, you turn it on and you fly. It's simple. However, this drone is quite fragile and not so powerful. You will not get true pleasure from flying, and in the end it will go to the trash. Way 2. You want to enjoy the pleasure of flying, the controlling your drones, to feel its speed and power. Make cool videos that will get millions of views, or eventually work in Hollywoods like a Johnny FPV. Then you should start your way from 5-inch drone like this. You can build it yourself or you can buy ready to fly one. For example, like iFly company or X-Hoover. Really great frames and drones. Sturdy and powerful, fly soft and stable. But here, if you make it yourself, you will figure out what components you will need and for what purposes. If you don't want to take a long time to figure it out, lose money, crash drones, soon I'll prepare the cool course about FPV drones, where I will tell you about all details of this hobby. I will teach you how to fly fast, how to build your drone yourself, and shoot really cool content to make money or become a popular travel blogger. So please leave an application and the link below, and I'll let you know how you can get on the course in the future. Let's move on. Along with the 5-inch drone, you can buy yourself a drone like a Smirnov. It's a good drone to fly indoor or maybe close to people and not to hurt somebody or anything. Lightweight and have a protection ducts. For example, Protect 35, maybe it will be Cinelog or some switch guys like this. Step 3, goggles. The best goggles for flying FPV is the goggles from DJI. There's the version 2, the new one, and the old version like DJI goggles V2. Both goggles fit video system like O3 and older versions like a DJI unit or Vista HD. But I recommend to collect or buy your drone with the O3 unit. The picture quality inside your goggles just amazing. Step 4. Batteries and charging. It's the best not to skimp on batteries. I use Tattoo Airline batteries for 6 cells, and it's good batteries for 5-inch drones or my 3-inch drones Protect 35 from iFlight. 1400 mAh is optimal to fly from 4 to 6 minutes. If you want to fly for a long time, okay, you can build the long-range drones from 7-inch and use Lion battery for 5000 mAh, and you can fly for 10, 15 or even 20 minutes. For example, you can use the Chimera frames from iFlight, as I said before. Step number 5. Camera that you use. The flagship camera is the GoPro. Now the GoPro 12 already been released, and I recommend you to take it. There is a perfect picture, and it has the log mode, 10-bit for color grading, so that the videos were even more qualitative and cinematic in edit or color grading. But while you are learning how to fly on a real drone, please, you can get into some accidents, and better not to attach your real GoPro on your real drones while you're learning how to fly. Just too expensive if you crash your GoPro. In addition, you can shoot your content just only on your O3 unit. It's enough to make some video on your social media like Instagram or TikTok and share with your friends. Why not? But it's better to strip the shoot like a movie. And step 6. Flying. The most important thing is just to fly. Go inside, take your drone and fly as much as you can. Fly as much as possible. Increase your skills as a pilot, do stunts, make a video as many as possible. Travel a lot. By the way, in my next video I will tell you which countries you can take your drone and which ones you cannot. Important information if you want to travel with your drone or make content on social media. Subscribe so you don't miss so important information about drones and traveling with them. Bye!